guys, mabuhay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Monica. Welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me on my journey here on YouTube. Alrighty guys, before we get onto the video, I want to announce again, I am going to be doing a 1K giveaway. So once I reach my 1K subscriber, I'm going to be giving away a brand new Louis Vuitton key pouch. So please keep on subscribing, that way we can do the giveaway ASAP. I'm so excited to do this giveaway for you guys, and we are almost there. Now without further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. So this is what we are gonna be unboxing today. By the way guys, excuse the nails, this is how it's gonna be for the next couple of weeks, so get used to it. No, I'm just kidding. It's better to be safe than sorry. I hope you are all staying safe at home and, you know, being responsible. Also, before I forget, hello to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for all the love on my last video. To be honest with you, I didn't even expect it to have that many views. I mean, it's not a lot compared to other people, but it is for me. I just really appreciate all the love and support that I'm getting from you guys. Thank you guys so much. I honestly can't even talk now. I honestly wasn't even expecting to get this one. I was just surfing on the LV website to see if any of the mini pochette were available. That way I can notify you guys or some of you guys that were looking for it. It wasn't, but then I saw this one. This one is actually from the Escale collection. I heard from some people that it was gonna be delayed until June, but when I saw this available, I had to get it. I'm not even sure guys if it's worth it, because I paid double the price for this compared to, you know, the regular mini pochette. So again, you have the box, you have the ribbon, you have the card in case you are gifting this away. Let's open this up. So it's inside this dust bag. Dun, 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 dun. And it's this really nice pastel design. Again, it's from the Escale collection, if I didn't mention it yet. This is the back part, I believe. This is the side. Oh my gosh, it's so cute, guys. It says there, made in France. I hope you guys can see it. This is the side. And this one comes in the silver chain instead of the gold color, guys. That's how it looks. This is the front, I believe. This is the other side, and then the bottom. Let's open up the inside. This is how it looks inside. I'm not quite sure with the interior because it does feel like a boxer shorts, you know, but I get it. It's a summer collection, so it probably like a swimwear for guys, you know, like a swimwear pants for guys. But that's what it looks. Inside you have the product number. This is what the product number is, just in case you are interested in purchasing this. You have the textile, which is this one. Oops. And yeah, let me show you guys again the close-up. You have the date code right over there. It's so cute, guys. I just don't know if it's worth double the price, you know. Let me show you also if the iPhone 11 fits. This one is the iPhone 11 Pro, and and I took the case out because it doesn't fit. Oh, okay, it does fit, but you just have to be strategic. It's a little snug, to be honest with you, but you can definitely put, you know, your credit cards, your cash, but yeah, it's gonna be very limited if you're gonna have your phone inside there, but it does fit. I'm also gonna show you a comparison. It's kind of hard to take it off too, so be careful, you know, when pulling your phone. I'm also gonna show you a comparison of the regular monogram and the Escale collection, but that's what it looks. It seems as though this one is a little bit like wider but this is taller. But that's what it looks like together. Let's try if the phone fits in here perfectly. Yeah, this one seems like it fits like a little looser compared to the pastel mini pochette. As you can see, it's even faster to take off the phone. What do you guys think about this new mini pochette style? I absolutely love it. It's beautiful, guys. It's really nice. You can just put it on here like that. Ah, it's so pretty. And you can definitely add, you know, a strap if you want it to be a crossbody. But that's pretty much it for the unboxing of this limited edition mini pochette. I'm pretty sure this will be available at the boutique once they open back up. Right now, it is currently unavailable on the website, so I'm pretty lucky to even get one myself. I think it's really cute, especially for spring and summer. I'm just not quite sure about the price. It is, you know, like I mentioned earlier, double the price of a regular mini pochette. But regardless, it is really cute, and I'm happy to add this to my collection. And yeah, if you have any questions for me, please just comment it down below and I'll make sure to answer it for you guys. And again, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and if you enjoyed this, please also don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.